today teaching LeetCode problem solving. Problem number is 1431. Question is kids with the greatest number of the candies. Okay. Let's go problem statement. We have a number of kids. Uh, each kids have some candies. Okay. We also have a extra candies. I the current each kids have some candies with the extra candy add them next which is the greatest candies compare them must greater than or mm, equal to sum greater than equal to current sum. Okay, otherwise return false. Let's explain that problem. Okay, they give they give candies. Each kids have some candies. They we also provide extra candies. Okay, each kids have some candies. Add the extra candies must greater than max element. Okay, first 3 equal to 3 plus 2 plus 3 5. Okay, is which is the greatest is 5. 5 greater 5 greater than equal to 5. Yes, true. Return true. Okay, next 3 plus 3 6. 6 greater than or equal to, yes, true. Yes, true. Next 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, what is that? 8. Is greatest among them? Yes. Next 1 plus 3, 4. False, because 4 less than 5. Return false. Okay, return false. What next? 3. 3 plus 3, 6. It is greater than equal to 5. 6 5. Okay, it is return true. Next, example 2. They give and the n number of candies. Add them. Next, return them answer. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5. What is the highest number of the candies? 4. 4 4 4 plus 1 is 5 is true. Okay, which is the maximum? 4. Compare the add the values. Okay, 2 plus 1 is the lesser than 4. Okay, return false. 1 plus 1, 2 is less than 4. It is why? Because is 4 is maximum. Compare the maximum values. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2 is less than 4. Okay, next 2 plus 1, 3 is less than 4. It is return false. Okay, it return boolean array. Okay, next, example number 3. They give the values. 12 plus 10 is 22. Is greater than equal to 12. Yes, true. 1 plus 10 is 11. Is less than 12. Is right. Is false. Turn false. Next, 12 plus 10 is 22. Greater than equal to 12. Is right. It true. Return true. Okay, let's go move on to the coding problem statement. What are they return the boolean list. Okay, they give index, they give the candies and extra candies. Let's go move on the code. First, I return candies length. Okay, I return that. Next, I declare boolean list. Why? I they give the question, return the boolean list. Okay, therefore I return that. I write the list. I declare the boolean list. After that, I return the loop. I start the 0. Next, I, what is the condition? I less than n, I plus plus. What's the next? First, what is the my approach is, first what is the maximum number of the candies? First I declare, okay. Next I compare the each candies, okay. First I declare max. After that, if array can d candies I greater than max. After max equal to candies of I. Therefore, then the max element is stored. Let's print. Check the maximum. Okay. What's the output? 5. 5 is the maximum. Is approach is correct. Next, what I do? Next, add the each kids have some candies. Add the extra candies. Compare the max. Okay. Okay. I return the loop. I less than n. I plus plus. What next? Wait a minute. Next, I I sum that each kids have some candies, which extra candies some each that sum. I sum that question. Okay, plus extra candies. Okay, after that, what I do? Compare the maximum element with sum greater than equal to max. What I do next? Add the array list boolean list. Okay, true. Greater than what is the max greater than sum? What is the do? Is return true. Okay, what next? Otherwise return false. Otherwise add false. Okay, next I return that. I return that problem. Yes, I check that. I declare sum. Next I submit that. The accept the case test case. Bit is 1 point. Okay, I submit the problem. Okay, 80%, 83% bit. Okay, I explain that problem now. First, what I do? First, I calculate the length of the candies. Okay. Next, I declare the boolean array list. Okay. Next, I iterate the loop. Why? First, I find the candies, which is the maximum candies. Yeah, I find out the first loop. Okay. Now, which is the maximum that candies 5. That loop is 4. That loop, that index, that array is, which is the maximum 12. This find the output. Okay, which this is maximum max. Okay, okay. Next, this loop. Why this loop means, why why return this loop? Because I iterate the loop. Each kids have some candies. Each kids have some candies. Add with extra candies. Compare the maximum. It is the maximum current. Compare the maximum greater than the sum is true, otherwise false. Okay, I written that problem. Current candies with extra candies sum. Next, compare the maximum. It's the sum is greater. Next, add the result, add the true. Okay, the store the boolean list. Next, otherwise false. Next, I return that uh, boolean list. Okay, that's all. Okay, let's meet you tomorrow. Keep supporting me.